I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select WS Form. To integrate the WS Form, go to the WS Form and navigate to the action. To add a new action, click on the plus icon and give it a meaningful name. Choose action. Choose type. Give here a hook tag. So go to the integration site. Under the note, copy the hook tag, then paste it on the WS Form. Save and close it. Now go to your integration site and choose a form. Next. Now here search and select Sendinblue. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API, please visit Sendinblue API console. Then click on API keys. Click on Generate a new API key. Give a name of your API key. Then click on Generate. Copy the API key and paste it here. Click on Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now choose a list from the drop-down. Now do the field mapping. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Sendinblue. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to Sendinblue. Navigate to Contacts. Then go to the desired list. Here is the data that came into Sendinblue through the integration. Thanks for watching.